According to the International Building Code, all enclosed spaces must have a light fixture or natural lighting. This means a light fixture is required in the unfinished retail space. The International Building Code also dictates that all enclosed spaces must have at least one receptacle. Therefore, a receptacle is required in the unfinished retail space. This receptacle is not required to be switched. However, a switched receptacle is typically recommended for convenience and energy efficiency. From a practical perspective, installing a light switch now will save on costs later when the space is being finished for retail use. It will also allow the future tenant to easily control the lighting. It is recommended to install both a light fixture and a switched receptacle in the unfinished space now. Firstly, this approach meets the code requirements of the International Building Code. Secondly, it will ensure the space is adequately lit for potential customers. Thirdly, it will be convenient for future tenants to use. Considering the requirements of the International Building Code, having a light fixture is essential for any enclosed space, including the unfinished retail area. The code emphasizes providing adequate illumination, whether through artificial lighting like light fixtures or natural lighting sources. This ensures that the space is safe and usable. The need for a receptacle in the unfinished retail space is also dictated by the International Building Code, which mandates that all enclosed spaces must have at least one receptacle. This requirement acknowledges the necessity of having access to electrical power for various purposes such as operating tools, equipment, or lighting fixtures. While the International Building Code mandates the installation of a receptacle, it does not specifically require it to be switched. However, from a practical standpoint, incorporating a switch offers convenience and energy efficiency. With a switch, users can easily turn the receptacle on or off as needed, preventing unnecessary energy consumption when the receptacle is not in use. Installing a light switch during the initial construction phase of the unfinished retail space is a prudent decision that can lead to long-term cost savings. By incorporating the switch early on, the process becomes more streamlined and cost-effective compared to retrofitting it later during the fit-out stage for retail use. The presence of a light switch empowers future tenants to effortlessly manage the lighting in the space according to their preferences and needs. They can easily adjust the lighting levels to create the desired ambience or conserve energy by turning off the lights when they are not required. Taking into account all the aforementioned factors, the recommended approach is to install both a light fixture and a switched receptacle in the unfinished space. This comprehensive solution not only satisfies the requirements of the International Building Code, but also guarantees that the space is appropriately illuminated and equipped for its intended purpose. By adhering to the International Building Code, you ensure that the retail space meets the required safety standards and regulations for lighting and electrical provisions. This helps to mitigate potential hazards and ensure the well-being of occupants and visitors. Investing in both a light fixture and a switched receptacle demonstrates a proactive approach to meeting the needs of future tenants. By providing these essential amenities upfront, you enhance the attractiveness of the space and facilitate a seamless fit-out process for retail use. Installing a light switch during initial construction can streamline the fit-out process for retail tenants. It eliminates the need for additional electrical work later on, saving time and resources for both the landlord and the tenant. By providing convenient lighting controls, a switched receptacle allows tenants to easily manage the energy consumption of their lighting fixtures. This can lead to significant cost savings over time, particularly in retail settings where lighting demands can be substantial. Installing a light switch demonstrates a commitment to sustainability and energy conservation. By enabling tenants to easily turn off lights when they are not needed, you contribute to reducing overall energy usage and minimizing the environmental impact of the building. A well-lit and properly equipped retail space can enhance the shopping experience for customers. By providing adequate lighting and convenient electrical outlets, you create a welcoming and functional environment that encourages customers to spend more time and money in the store. Installing a switched receptacle provides flexibility for future tenants to customize their lighting and electrical configurations. They can easily adapt the space to their specific needs and preferences, ensuring that it meets the demands of their retail operations. By installing both a light fixture and a switched receptacle, you create a more versatile and adaptable retail space that can accommodate a wide range of tenants and uses. This enhances the long-term value and marketability of the property. By investing in quality lighting and electrical infrastructure, you demonstrate a commitment to excellence and attention to detail. This can help to attract and retain high-quality tenants who appreciate a well-maintained and thoughtfully designed retail space. Installing a switched receptacle is a simple and cost-effective way to enhance the functionality and value of the retail space. It provides numerous benefits for both landlords and tenants, contributing to a more successful and sustainable retail environment. The decision to install a light switch during construction showcases foresight in anticipating the needs of future tenants and optimizing the space for retail use. This proactive approach reflects positively on your commitment to providing a tenant-friendly and functional environment. Consider the potential long-term benefits of installing a switched receptacle now, including reduced energy costs, streamlined fit-out processes, and enhanced tenant satisfaction. These advantages outweigh the initial investment and contribute to the overall success of the retail space. The installation of both a light fixture and a switched receptacle aligns with best practices in retail space design and management. It demonstrates a commitment to creating a modern, efficient, and customer-centric environment that promotes business growth and success. The decision to install these amenities reflects a deep understanding of the needs of both landlords and tenants in the retail sector. By prioritizing functionality, convenience, and energy efficiency, you create a space that is attractive, sustainable, and conducive to business success. In conclusion, prioritize the installation of both a light fixture and a switched receptacle in the unfinished retail space to meet code requirements, enhance tenant satisfaction, and promote long-term value.